Good evening everybody, welcome to my channel Biker Dad Life, and today I would be talking to you guys about how to install an LED on the bike. So I basically have a Z800, Kawasaki Z800. So I'm going to put up these H7 LEDs on the bike. So I have bought myself the Philips LED HL H7, that is the Ultinon Essential LED, if you all can see. So the size that Kawasaki recommends for the Z800 is the H7. H7 is basically a standard size in bikes, but normally I would recommend you all to check the size of the bulb size and then order, because we don't want to spend a lot of money and then ponder or wonder ki the size of the bulb or the LED is not fitting in. So for the Kawasaki Z100 precisely H7 is the size. So basically it says powerful brightness, 6000 Kelvin white light, innovative heat dissipation technology. So if you see this is meant for heat dissipation, fits major car models. Obviously it is going to fit the bike too. So if you see this on here, it shows the beam performance between a normal headlight and a LED. Plus this is the standard 3000, that is a little yellowish. 6000 is more on the whiter side. The only concern with white light is basically riding or driving in the rains. So if you ride a lot in the rains, so I would not recommend something in white. Something would yellow would be precisely what you would be needing. And lifetime is 5 years. So I think it has a warranty of 2 years, and the life of the LED is 5 years. So for 5 years I need not change my bike's LEDs. So if you see the MRP, it is written as 5500. So and manufacturing is 7/2019, so it is made last year, but it is an electronic object. It shouldn't deteriorate as such, so that's not a hassle for me. And as I said, the price is 5500, but I got it on a discount on Amazon for around 4400 rupees. So I got a good deal. I had to choose between Osram's and Philips. Osram's for around 5500, and these I got for around 1000 cheaper. So I preferred these. And lighting is very important, guys. So whatever you're riding, if you're riding a bike or a car, I would always recommend to keep 2-3 things top notch. One are the lights. If you have faulty lights, then boy, you're in trouble. Second are tires. The tires of the bike or car should be changed periodically and should be checked for wear and tear, as well as the engine and engine oil and all those parts. These 3 things, if you all keep in mind, you could actually be at peace and your journey could be peaceful. So the thing is, one of my bulbs, the lower beam of my bike had actually gone, so there's no point changing just one bulb. So basically there are 2 bulbs in this. We would be changing both of them, because usually that is an issue. The disbursement of light is an issue if you only put one bulb. So always put 2 bulbs at the same time, because that would take care of the displacement. So let's open it and let's see what all do we have inside. Okay, now so we have opened it. So this is how it looks. So there are 2 LEDs as well as 2 ballasts. So let's see the LED. So this is how the LED looks like. So this is the portion that I was talking, that has to be removed, this plastic thing. It says please take off this tube and expand the braid before installing the bulb. So basically this comes off and this has to be expanded like this. This is basically for heat dissipation, because there are no fans here. and this is the plug-in directly. And as I talked about ballast, these are ballasts that come with it. There are 2 blasts and 2 LEDs that come in this set. So this is how it looks like. Says Philip. So I put it back like this, and I would be taking it to a mechanic because I'm too lazy to do it myself. So keep watching the video for more. So I'm here at Imran Bhai's shop as usual, और अपना कृष्णा भाई काम पे लग गया है. कृष्णा भाई इज अवर लकी चाम. कृष्णा कैसा है?
मस्त,
मजे में,
एकदम मस्त.
कृष्णा को भी इंस्टा पे फॉलो करो गाइस. कृष्णा बोलो तुम्हारा जरा क्या इंस्टा हैंडल क्या है?
कृष्णा राइडर.
कृष्णा राइडर, बस उतना ही. ओके. तो ये पहले अपना वाइजर का स्क्रू निकाल रहे, बराबर?
यस.
वाइजर सबसे पहले निकलेगा. वाइजर निकलने के बाद ये कंपनी वाला वाइजर रहेगा. ऊपर वाला जो है दैट इज दी एक्सटर्नल फिटिंग वाइजर. उसके बाद क्या खोलेंगे अपन?
फेयरिंग.
आफ्टर दैट वी रिमूव द फेयरिंग. 2 बोर्ड लगे हुए हैं फेयरिंग को. सही है ना? फेयरिंग इज आउट. Now again remove the bulbs that are fitted in it. This is also an LED fitted. So we'll be removing this LED and putting our new LED. That is the Philips H7 Ultrinon model. So now we have removed the fairing, and these are the old LEDs that we have inside. So one of the LEDs is out. Looks like a local brand. So this is the H7 Philips LED that we got, and we will be installing this now. तो अभी इमरान भाई हमारा जादू चला रहे. सीनियर टेक्नीशियन आ गए कृष्णा भाई के ऊपर.
ठीक है, बना देंगे अपन, बन जाएगा. नहीं नहीं ऐसा मत कर कृष्णा. अली भाई के पास से ना 2 पतले पतले रॉड ले. वो वेल्डिंग रॉड है ना, वो लेके तो बना देता हूँ. ये देख ऐसा बना देता हूँ.
बना देंगे भाई. इमरान भाई कैसे हो?
बस मजे में.
राइड के बाद अभी यहाँ मिले तो वैली रन में तो
वैली रन का मेरा आ गया भाई.
क्या कर दिए?
आ गया भाई. सूट आ गया भाई.
सूट भी आ गया. तो नाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ लॉक. तो फ्रेंड्स डोंट थ्रो एनीथिंग दैट कम्स विद द बाइक. बरोबर ना? जो भी आता है बाइक के साथ रखने का ना,
ओरिजिनल चीज रखने का. कभी भी संभाल के.
ओरिजिनल चीज़ कभी फेंको नहीं. कभी क्या काम में आए बोल नहीं सकते.
बहुत जरूरी है भाई ओरिजिनल सामान.
बरोबर. तो गाइज इसका जो ओरिजिनल था क्लैंप, वो ओनर ने इस पहले घुमा दिया, तो ये कस्टम लॉक बनाना पड़ा हमें टू होल्ड द LED थरो इन द फेयरिंग. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, डोंट थ्रो एनीथिंग दैट कम्स स्टॉक विद द बाइक. इवन इफ यू रिमूव इट, सी टू इट दैट यू कीप इट विथ यू फॉर फ्यूचर. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डिड नॉट हैव इट, तो ये एक जुगाड़ करना पड़ा हम लोगों को. So we are fitting back the rubber on it after locking the LEDs inside. Just see to it that it is properly locked. और उसके बाद ये जो उसका रबर पैकिंग है फेयरिंग का वो लगा देंगे so that it doesn't move from its place.
ऑन करो हेडलाइट सामने कर सीधा कर
सही है एंगल सही है
हाँ हाँ प्रॉपर आता अपने आप
सही है बस एंगल का मसला नहीं
नहीं वो जो सेटिंग है ना वो वही सेटिंग पे आएगा अपने आप उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं है
ऊपर नीचे जैसे गाड़ी में
जो जैसा पहला था ना वही प्रॉपर सेटिंग आएगा
सही आएगा
हाँ अपने सेटिंग नहीं चेंजेस किए अपने सिर्फ बल्ब चेंज किए देखो ना परफॉर्मेंस कितना है अपन डायरेक्ट देख नहीं सकते इसको अपन दोनों जब चालू करेंगे तो अंधेरे में वाइड हो जाएगा ये
So like how you guys saw it, it's pretty bright. लग गया है बराबर से. So we are just putting back the mechanisms.
Few moments later.
So this is how the dipper looks like with the new Philips H7 LEDs. The reason why I bought it here is it's a little pitch dark. इसलिए यहीं पर लाया मैं. This is the upper is obviously more brighter and it lights up the complete road. This is the dipper, this is the upper. So I'm really satisfied with Philips with the LEDs that I've put. If dippers are not enough, I can always switch to uppers. So that's it guys, that's it from me. Hope you like this video. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is BikerDadLife, no space in between, and the same is my YouTube ID or my YouTube channel name. It's BikerDadLife it's as well. So do subscribe here too, and may you all have a very 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 happy new year, and hope 2021 brings in a lot of goodies as well as a lot of happiness and prosperity into your lives. To see you guys, Shabba Khair, take care, good night, bye.